Hey, good morning. Jim Boyd here with Big Metal Buildings, serving Cypress, Brazos Valley, and the Texas Hill Country. Hey, we're here with one of our preferred customers. We've done a lot of work for this customer over the years, and they own and operate car wash businesses. And so this customer today has called us because he's having some deterioration and rusting of his metal building components inside of his car wash tunnel. So I want to give you a shot of what we're looking at.
Here you can clearly see the customer has got some severe deterioration of the interior roof purlins on just a couple days of the car wash. This is not a big problem. We can take these things out. The customer's also asked us to look at replacing these translucent panels just because they're likely deteriorating as well. But it's wise that the customer's contacted us because we can get through and take care of this stuff now that you're starting to have some problems and get them right back in business within a day or two.
Hey, again, Jim Boyd with Big Metal Buildings. We're a full-service metal building company. We can take care of new construction as well as your repair and renovation. Don't hesitate to give us a call. If you have metal building failure, you have roof leaks, anything you need, metal buildings and more. BIGmetalbuildings.biz. Have a great day.